Since the invention of the vehicle, road technologies have advanced significantly. The way we construct and maintain roadways has changed dramatically throughout time, from dirt trails to contemporary highways. Innovative road technology have surfaced in recent years, improving our travel experiences in terms of safety, efficiency, and sustainability. These developments are going beyond what we previously believed to be feasible, turning highways into intelligent, interactive, and ecologically beneficial infrastructure. We'll look at some of the most amazing road innovations in this video, which are incredibly futuristic and will completely change the way we think about transportation. Intelligent roads. Smart highways, which combine numerous digital advances to increase safety, efficiency, and sustainability, mark a significant advancement in road technology. These roadways have cameras, sensors, and communication systems installed so they can keep an eye on the weather, traffic, and even the state of the road itself. Dynamic lane management is one of smart highways' main characteristics. Thanks to this technology, lanes can be changed instantly dependent on the flow of traffic. For instance, more lanes can be opened in the direction of higher traffic during rush hour. On the other hand, to save money on maintenance, lanes might be blocked off at off-peak times. Adaptive lighting is just another amazing feature of smart highways. Smart highways employ LED lights that only shine when a car approaches, saving energy compared to regular streetlights that are on constantly. Moreover, some smart highways include solar panels built right into the surface of the pavement, producing clean energy for the infrastructure and lighting. Imagine a road that produces electricity as you go over it. That is, a road made of solar panels. That is the concept behind solar-powered roads. These cutting-edge highways are composed of solar panels coated in a clear, strong substance that can support the weight of moving cars. These panels can produce enough electricity to power adjacent buildings, traffic signals, and lamps. With the use of solar roadways, highways might become enormous energy farms. These roads can melt ice and snow in addition to producing power, which makes them safer in the winter. In fact, some solar highways come with LED lights that can project dynamic lane lines, cautionary signals, or ads onto the surface of the road. Although the idea is still in its infancy, pilot programs have produced encouraging outcomes in nations like the Netherlands and France. Solar roadways have the potential to become a standard component of our transportation network as technology advances, lowering our need on fossil fuels and fostering more sustainability. Electric vehicle charging lanes. As the popularity of electric vehicles, EVs, has grown, so too has the demand for practical charging options. The idea of charging lanes for electric vehicles is among the most innovative advancements in this field. EVs may charge while driving thanks to these specifically designed lanes that have wireless charging built into them. These lanes are powered by inductive charging technology. It entails the non-physical transmission of energy between the road and the vehicle's battery through the use of electromagnetic fields. This implies that the car can expand its range without stopping at a charging station as long as it is in the charging lane and continues to draw electricity. Range anxiety is one of the main issues preventing the mainstream adoption of electric vehicles, but charging lanes for them have the ability to solve it. Drivers may now go farther between charges without worrying about running out of fuel thanks to the direct integration of charging equipment into the road. This technology is currently being tested in pilot programs in Sweden and the UK, and it may soon be a standard feature on highways all over the world. Self-healing asphalt. Patching potholes and cracks is one of the most difficult aspects of road upkeep. Not only may these problems make driving uncomfortable, but they may also. Since the invention of the vehicle, road technologies have advanced significantly. The way we construct and maintain roadways has changed dramatically throughout time, from dirt trails. Special compounds that can be activated to fill in gaps and cracks are used to make self-healing asphalt. One method uses microcapsules that are loaded with a therapeutic substance like bitumen. The healing agent seeps into the crack and solidifies, sealing it shut after the capsules burst apart to release the healing agent. An alternative method employs induction heating. Steel fibers are incorporated into the asphalt using this technique. A magnetic field is used to melt the steel fibers in a damaged road, softening the asphalt and allowing it to flow back into the crack. Effective mending of the crack occurs after the asphalt cools. Road lifespans can be increased and maintenance costs can be greatly decreased using self-healing asphalt. This technique can decrease the need for frequent repairs, which can interrupt traffic and raise greenhouse gas emissions and improve safety by maintaining roads in better shape. Roads that glow in the dark. Besides being aesthetically pleasing, glow-in-the-dark roads also increase safety. These roadways are covered with photoluminescent materials, which shine softly at night after absorbing sunlight throughout the day. Particularly in places where conventional street lighting is not practical or environmentally beneficial, this glow can aid vehicles in finding their way. A 500-meter section of road was painted with photoluminescent paint in the Netherlands, where the idea of glow-in-the-dark roads was first tested. After nightfall, the paint continues to light for up to 8 hours, giving vehicles a visible guidance. In addition to highlighting pedestrian crossings and defining lanes, the technology may be used to draw beautiful patterns on the road surface. Roads with glow-in-the-dark features are especially helpful in isolated or rural locations where it is challenging to install and maintain conventional lamps. They provide a more energy-efficient option that improves safety and visibility for both pedestrians and cars. Plastic roads. Although plastic trash is an international environmental issue, cutting-edge road innovations are transforming this difficulty into a chance. In order to provide a more resilient and sustainable road surface, recycled plastic waste is mixed into the asphalt mixture to create plastic roads. Waste plastic is broken down into tiny particles and combined with regular asphalt in this process. As a result, the material is less maintenance-intensive, more temperature-tolerant, and resistant to wear and tear than traditional roadways. Plastic roads not only survive longer, but also contribute to a decrease in the quantity of plastic debris that ends up in landfills in the ocean. With encouraging outcomes, nations like the UK and India have already begun experimenting with plastic road construction. These roads not only survive longer, but they also offer a useful remedy for the expanding issue of plastic pollution. Plastic roads have the potential to significantly contribute to the development of more robust and sustainable infrastructure when the technology is embraced more broadly. Modular pavements are a creative and adaptable option that have several advantages over conventional road-building techniques. Because these pavements are composed of prefabricated panels, construction time can be shortened and traffic disturbance can be avoided. The versatility of modular pavements is one of their main benefits. Because the panels are simple to install and remove, considerable roadwork is not necessary to do repairs or upgrades. The incorporation of additional technologies like sensors, heating components, and drainage systems straight into the pavement is also made possible by this modular design. Modular pavements work especially well in urban settings when space is at a premium and traffic interruptions must be kept to a minimum. Modular pavements provide a more cost-effective and environmentally friendly option to conventional methods for road construction and maintenance by cutting down on the time and expense involved. Intelligent traffic management systems. These systems are revolutionizing traffic flow control and congestion alleviation. These systems monitor traffic conditions and dynamically modify traffic signals, speed restrictions, and lane assignments based on real-time data from sensors, cameras, and GPS devices. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, to forecast traffic patterns and optimize traffic flow is one of the most interesting advances in this field. AI systems are able to evaluate both historical and current data to forecast traffic jams, modify traffic signals, and suggest other routes to vehicles. In addition to cutting down on travel time, this also lessens emissions by cutting down on the length of time cars sit in gridlock. By immediately notifying drivers or emergency services of incidents or potential risks on the road, smart traffic management systems can also increase safety. In order to create transportation networks that are safer and more efficient, smart traffic management systems will be essential as cities become more data-driven and networked. Road surface heating. Ice and snow on the roads can make driving hazardous in areas with severe winters. This issue can be resolved by using embedded heating components in road surface heating technology, which keeps the road surface free of ice and snow. Underneath the road surface, heated fluid-filled pipes or electric heating cables are installed to facilitate the operation of the technology. The heating system is turned on as the temperature dips, melting snow and ice before it has a chance to build up. This not only increases safety, but also lessens the need for potentially environmentally hazardous chemicals and equipment for snow removal. Road surface heating is especially helpful in places where snowfall is frequent or where keeping the roads clear is essential, like major highways or airports. The long-term advantages in terms of safety, lower maintenance costs, and environmental impact outweigh the sometimes high initial installation costs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.